यार तूने वो ऐप यूज़ करके देखा? नहीं, आई थिंक दूसरा वाला उससे ज़्यादा बेटर है. The one thing that is growing immensely is none other than technology, isn't it? So, if you are someone who is eager to know what is happening in India in the field of consumer technology, this is the right video for you. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Hello everyone and welcome back to today's video. In this video, we'll be starting a new series where we talk about different categories under Forbes 30 under 30. So the people who wish to be here know the details, know the people who have already made it to the list, and the most important to understand, you can make it here only if you follow your passion and enjoy what you do. In this video, I'll be talking about the startups in the field of consumer technology, the stories of the owners, the reality, the golden opportunities, and what you can be doing in this field. To tell you a bit about myself, I am Sakshi Garje. I'm a 19-year-old pursuing graphic design and here to do my things for betterment. Let's understand what is consumer technology. Consumer technology is something which makes our life more easier. Consumer technology refers to any form of technology that is intended for use by consumer in the general public. Consumer technology comes in a variety of different forms and offers a wide range of technological capabilities. It is something which is most commonly seen items that people use in day-to-day life. It makes our work more easier. Technology has evolved to make our life better and fulfill the need of people. As a result, we are constantly interacting with consumer technology. And so, the opportunities to make the career in this field are also increasing rapidly. Several categories and subcategories in this field already exist. Technology is making our life easier. People are pursuing careers in this field and they are doing great. With the career in this field, people have already made their names to Forbes 30 under 30. So, are you excited to know who made it to Forbes 30 under 30 in this category of consumer technology? Ishanpreet Singh and Nikhil Raj. Both are amazing co-founders of Front Row. Ishanpreet Singh has graduated with a B.Tech and M.Tech in computer science. Ishan has worked at EPFL and Xerox Research on theoretical computer science problems. He was a business analyst at McKinsey and Company. He worked with leading corporations in Delhi and New Jersey on growth strategy, sale acceleration, and cost optimization with a focus on technology and manufacturing sectors. Raj, this amazing person, has completed his intermediate from Kendriya Vidyalaya, done his Bachelor of Technology from IIT Delhi. Previously, he has also worked with Zest Money. Singh and Raj teamed up with their third friend Shubhadip Sharma and started building their venture last year. Their app has over 100,000 downloads from Google Play Store. Users create their account on the app or on the website of the Front Row and buy the pre-recorded lesson videos. Singh realized that the world of business or how people make money is more fascinating than to teach people computer science. Trio has got backers, including Lightspeed India Partners, where Singh worked before starting Front Row. Their goal is to become daily learning destination over 10 million people in India. Beyond the courses, Front Row offers questionnaire sessions, practice session, competition, and a community of learners. Ishanpreet says, if you are pursuing your passion, we want that you open Front Row and get better every day. As I told you before, consumer technology is a technology which is used to meet the needs of the people. And there are a lot of things that you can do to make life even easier. So here are few career options which I am going to talk about. So the first one is development of an app or a website. This is a great opportunity. You can develop an app or a website which will help people like food delivery, ticket booking, hotel booking, shopping, studying, reading, and many more other things. You just need to have them. The second one is fitness and wearables. Wearable consumer technology is now booming. This includes smartwatches, fitness trackers, heart rate monitors, alerting device, and tech-enabled. Here comes the interesting one. MedTech companies. MedTech companies has an opportunity to compete differently by developing devices that will enable humanized remote care. You are well positioned to build on your core and grow new pathways. Third one is video and audio streaming services. Nowadays, people love to consume content in the form of audio and video. If you are someone who can build and help them to consume content in this format, here's the opportunity for you. For example, Netflix and Spotify. The last one is electronic products. If you can bring something which is unique, which attracts general public and is useful for them, there's a good chance for your product. If you have any idea which will help the industry for production, packaging or any other things, then there's a bright future. I hope this video has added value to your life. For such amazing and value adding information, do check out our other videos and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.